Why do we become life coaches only after midnight? One motivational video, and suddenly we think our life is changing tomorrow. Tomorrow, wake up at 5 a.m., work out, study, become successful. But at 5 a.m., even success can wait. The alarm isn't waking us up anymore. It's fighting for survival. We don't start fitness journeys. We start shopping journeys. Day one at the gym feels like training for a movie role. Day two feels like your legs filed a complaint against you. We watch productivity videos to avoid being productive. In our imagination, we're already successful. In reality, we can't even leave the blanket. Every Sunday night, we become motivational speakers. By Tuesday, the motivation has already left the group chat. But honestly, even small progress counts. You don't need to become successful overnight. Real motivation is just showing up, even on lazy days. So remember, watching 200 motivational reels is still not a workout. That dangerous sentence, I'll take a small break. Tomorrow, wake up at 5 a.m., work out, study, become successful. Start small, even tiny progress matters.